Flat Earth can be falsified instantly in 40 seconds time. Completely, 100%. All you have to do is notice and verify for yourself, don't take my word for it. Notice that we observe stars to rotate around a north polar axis every night. It happens every single night. Go check. That's fine for flat Earth. If the Earth was flat, we would expect that the stars would rotate around the north polar axis every night. So far, so good. Problem is that if you go south of the equator, we see different stars, and they are orbiting a south polar axis. And that crashing sound that you just heard. So flat Earth was deployed as a psyop with big money behind it to divert attention away from the principle and to sort of set in everybody's mind the idea, well, oh, geocentrism, oh yeah, that's like flat Earth. What an attractive world to enter, where you can be Einstein, where you can be Kepler, where you can be Galileo, because you know the secret, right? It's an incredibly powerful and persuasive psychological operation.
Number 5. Stars change going north or south. Why, yes they do. Why don't we explain why that happens? Here are the stars. You all know about Polaris, right? It is in the north. So you can take your position here on our star chart, look up north, see where Polaris is, and watch which way the stars rotate. We all know that the stars rotate counterclockwise when looking at the north, and so you get the confusion of people saying, well, what about the south? They rotate the other ways. Well, let's watch. You can see that they lift to the upper right, going up that wall, counterclockwise. So let's keep following that. Remember that, up this wall, up the wall. Keep rotating to the right, up the wall, up the wall. We keep going a little bit more, up the wall, up the wall. We're getting towards the south. They go up the wall. Look at that. Now they go clockwise. That's all it is. There is no southern pole star. They're all rotating the same direction. It's like a big tunnel rotating above us.
In the Cascade Mountains of Washington, the Navy opens the world's largest radio transmitter. Its 1 million watts can flash a message around the world in a tenth of a second.
No way.
General David Sarnoff of RCA congratulates Admiral Carney, Chief of Naval Operations. And old Marconi operator himself, the General sends the first message using the type key on which he relayed the Titanic disaster messages. A ship or installation anywhere on the globe can be instantly reached from Radio Jim Creek, as the station is known.
Oh my God, no way!
Answering messages begin coming in over the station's teletype. Built at a cost of $14 million, the station embodies the last word in radio transmission and is a giant step forward in the Navy's network of communications.
No way! No way, no way!
Operating 24 hours a day, numerous nations maintain a network of LORAN transmitting stations to service the major shipping lanes. There are a pair here, for example, Sisconset and Bodie Island. One is known as the master station, the other is the slave. For a moment, consider these two stations operating as a synchronous pair, simultaneously emitting short pulses of radio energy. Leaving both shore stations simultaneously, a pair of pulses travel out into space, in all directions, at a constant speed, roughly 186,000 miles per second, or the speed of light. Plus, the pulse from the closer station will reach the ship an instant before the pulse from the other station.
But that's not possible.
The LORAN ship board gear measures this difference in time of arrival in millionths of a second, or microseconds. It simply determines how much longer one pulse takes to reach the ship than the other pulse.
What? You're joking, right?
Now, this same time interval will be observed at many points within the range of the two shore stations. And when connected, these points form a hyperbola, known as the LORAN line of position. To aid the navigator in obtaining a fix, specially prepared LORAN tables and charts contain accurately plotted lines of position on the various time differences encountered in a particular area. Having one line of position, we then obtain readings from another pair of stations. An accurate fix is established at the intersection of the two lines of position.
That's not right.
Its 1 million watts can flash a message around the world in a tenth of a second. A ship or installation anywhere on the globe can be instantly reached from Radio Jim Creek, as the station is known.
This fucking room because you're fucking too stupid to realize that people have work to fucking do. Get the fuck out of here!
Its 1 million watts can flash a message around the world in a tenth of a
Walk the
second.
hell out. Yawn outside. Stay out of class.
A ship or installation anywhere on the globe can be instantly reached from Radio Jim Creek, as the station is known.
Right. You are everything that's gone wrong in this world. You are self-consumed, no talent, mediocre piece of shit.
Its 1 million watts can flash a message around the world in a tenth of a second. A ship or installation anywhere on the globe can be instantly reached from Radio Jim Creek, as the station is known. Its 1 million watts can flash a message around the world in a tenth of a second.